It's hard to say how long this footage has been out. I don't know what just happened. What? What just happened? I'm hoping I didn't lose too much of this footage. We got a great celebration by Owatonna that was not to be due to wiffle ball infractions. They forgot the rule that if the ball hits you while you're running, you were out. And that took away their winning runs in the final frame. So Alexander has a chance to hit. There's Nate with the line drive, caught, 2 down. With the bat flip. And there's 2 down. So let's see what happens here. This could be it. That's definitely a strike and lots of water. I'm worried I missed a lot of this footage. There's a ref. They got life. They got life. They've got life. We got to end this thing. We got to get out of here. Go home, take a hot shower. Luke Byres with a newly purchased bat. No dents. Foul ball. Little Teddy Geiger playing on the iPod. Hit him! Hit him in the box! 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 Foul ball! I've had enough out of you! I've had enough out of you! It's been all night! It's been all night! It's been all night!